Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the transparency of a picture in Google Slides for 2026. It's super simple and you'll see how easy it is to make your slides look cleaner and more professional. All right, first, click on the slide that contains the picture you want to adjust, then just click on the picture itself to select it. Yeah, make sure it's highlighted before we go further. Next, go to the top menu and click on Format, then select Format Options. This opens a panel on the right side where we can adjust different settings, including transparency. Under Format Options, click on the Adjustments section. Here you'll see a slider for transparency. Slide it left or right to increase or decrease the transparency. It's really visual. You'll see the changes on your slide immediately. If you want, you can tweak the brightness or contrast alongside transparency to make your picture blend perfectly with your slide background. Just play around until it looks right. This part is flexible. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the transparency of your picture in Google Slides. It's a small tweak, but it really makes your slides look much cleaner. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks in 2026.